Hi everyone, welcome to week 4 of FYE 101. The goal for this week is to help you develop some skills with communication as a college student. So we have a number of assignments directed towards that this week. We're going to read about how to talk to and email your professors. We're going to learn how to contact your counselor to set up an appointment, how to handle grade disputes, all kinds of things that will be helpful to you as a student. Make sure that you always start by looking at the overview for the week so you know exactly what you need to accomplish. Here it is in list form. Going back to the week 4 module. As usual, we have our normal expected assignments. We have the readings, the quiz. Just a reminder about the quiz, I am dropping your lowest 2 quiz scores this semester, so keep that in mind when looking at your grades and when thinking about doing the quizzes. But so far, so good. I'm seeing a lot of improvement in quiz scores. We have a mindful moment this week directed toward gratitude, which should be interesting. We're going to talk about self-advocacy and how to stand up for yourself in our discussion this week. And then we have 3 assignments. One is sending an email to your professor in the correct format. The second one is scheduling an appointment with your counselor. So you're going to be meeting with a CCP counselor in the next 2 weeks. So our counselor for this class, you can set up an appointment with her. All the instructions are on this page. Just to walk you through a little bit, make sure you check out the PowerPoint here, the video, and then see the instructions for setting up that appointment here. The last assignment for the week is the Focus 2 assignment. You're going to use this as a way to start a conversation when you do meet with your counselor. And basically what it does is help you find your academic strengths, your interests, your skills, and narrow some potential majors and careers for you. There are detailed instructions. If you have issues, check out these videos below that might help you to understand exactly what you're supposed to be doing if you get stuck. And as always, you can always reach out to me and I'd be happy to meet with you or to help you through the assignment. Have a great week, everyone.